So welcome back, guys, to Skull Hacks. So this is the second video of the course to become an ethical hacker. So as we are following a roadmap which is already shared on our Telegram channel. So if you are new to our channel, do join our Telegram channel for notes. So going ahead, the next topic is networking. This topic includes topologies, protocols, OSI model, IP versions. So overall, this networking part may take up to 5 or 6 videos to finish. Let's start with the basics. And first topic, which is OSI model. All this 5 or 6 videos will be theory part before going into practicals. First, let's clear our theory part. So let's go to our PPT. So there are 7 layers in OSI model, which means Open Systems Interconnection. The OSI model is a conceptual framework that standardizes network communication into 7 distinct layers, each with specific functions and responsibilities. It helps in understanding how data is transmitted across a network and how different networking technologies and protocols interact. The OSI model is a helpful framework for understanding networking concepts, troubleshooting network issues, and designing network protocols. It's worth noting that in practice, not all networking protocols or technologies strictly adhere to the OSI model, but it serves as a useful reference for discussing and understanding networking principles and functions. So starting with first layer, which is the physical layer, this is the lowest layer, dealing with the actual physical connection between devices. The physical layer is responsible for the physical connection between devices and how data is transmitted over the physical medium. It defines the hardware components, such as cables, switches, and network interface cards. Its primary function is to transmit raw binary data over a physical medium, specifying attributes like voltage levels, cable types, and connector pins. Examples are Ethernet switches, network bridges, Ethernet frames, and MAC media access control addresses. Data link layer. This layer is responsible for the reliable transmission of data across a specific link or network segment. It handles tasks like framing data into frames, addressing within the network, error detection, and flow control. This layer ensures data is reliably transmitted between directly connected devices. Examples are Ethernet switches, network bridges, Ethernet frames, and MAC media access control addresses. The network layer deals with routing packets of data so they can be transmitted across multiple networks or subnets. It determines the optimal path for data to reach its destination based on network topology, addressing, and routing algorithms. Internet Protocol, IP, operates at this layer. This layer helps data packets find their way from the source to the destination across different networks. It deals with logical addressing and forwarding data between different subnets. Examples are routers, Internet Protocol, IP addresses, and routing tables. The transport layer ensures reliable data transmission end-to-end, managing data segmentation, flow control, and error recovery. It offers 2 main protocols: TCP for connection-oriented and reliable communication, and UDP for connectionless, faster communication. This layer ensures data gets from one device to another accurately and reliably. Examples are Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, which makes sure data is delivered without errors, and User Datagram Protocol. The session layer establishes, manages, and terminates communication sessions between 2 devices. It handles session synchronization, checkpointing, and recovery in case of interruptions. This layer manages and controls communication sessions between devices. Examples: when you have a video call, this layer helps establish and manage the call, ensuring you can communicate effectively. The presentation layer deals with data translation, encryption, and compression. It ensures data is presented in a format that both the sender and receiver can understand and handles security-related tasks. This layer deals with data translation, encryption, and compression to make sure data is understood by both the sender and receiver. Examples are converting data between different formats, like from text to video, encrypting data to keep it secure during transmission, and compressing data to make it smaller for faster transmission. The application layer is the topmost layer and interacts directly with end-user applications. It provides a platform for software applications to access network services and resources. This is the layer closest to the end user and deals with user interfaces and application-level protocols. Examples are web browsers, like Chrome or Firefox, email clients, like Outlook or Gmail, and social media apps, like Facebook or Instagram. So that's all from this video. I will share the presentation on our Telegram group, link in bio. Okay, so guys, subscribe our channel and join our social media links.